Well, it's been a long time since I made any updates. I got a new vehicle. The Honda couldn't handle the weight. It's got a temporary setup in here now. I got two Optima red tops. I got two JL13W1s for now. Memphis coaxials in the back. Memphis coaxials in the doors too. Got the Soundstream 1500. Had two of them right now. It's a little much for the JLs, but and I also have touchscreen, navigation. It's not bad. Fahrenheit, cheapy, but it works for now. Play a song here.